Sun's coming up in just about the next 2 minutes. So hour earlier than you're used to, and we've got a pretty shot of it right now from our camera on top of the Salesforce Tower. This looking down to the south across the bay, out towards Fremont and down towards Milpitas. Beautiful view there. Daytime highs today with plenty of sunshine, as we just saw from that view. Clouds are not going to be a major factor. Today is going to look a lot prettier than yesterday did in terms of getting more blue sky. We'll be in the low to mid 60s for daytime highs. Now that we've covered Sunday, let's move on. Monday's a bigger deal. We can see the system getting developed out there. That gets here by the time we've gotten into Monday evening and Tuesday. And yes, it will have a long stretch of moisture going all the way across the Pacific. Right there, that's your signature of an atmospheric river. A confined ribbon of water vapor, more condensed water vapor being pulled out of the subtropics and pointed directly at us. So this, keeping that in mind now, that gives us the added perspective, and it'll make sense when we watch how persistent the rain's going to be. It starts perhaps as early as Monday afternoon, but it's really Monday evening when the best of the rain comes in. Yellows and oranges show you where it's moderate to, at times, heavy rain, and it just stays that way in the evening and overnight hours for the North Bay. With the rain getting down to the Golden Gate and southward by the time we get into the early evening, 8, 9 o'clock hour, now everybody's seeing it. But there really is a focus. We'll all get rain, but there really is a consistent focus for the North Bay, just like the last system, to get the better rain out of this. That's one of the few things this system has in common with the last one, because it's not going to be as intense. We're not going to get as much rain for as long as we did. It won't be as windy, but it's going to be somewhat similar in terms of the fact that they're both being fueled by an atmospheric river, and the rain's going to be more impressive because of that than it would be with your average run-of-the-mill storm that maybe did not have that component to it. So if you look at the rainfall totals, we're up to 1.5 inches for some North Bay communities. That's total from Monday afternoon all the way through Tuesday. And the perspective I always like to give on that is 1.5 inches of rain is enough. You could get some localized street flooding. It's certainly going to seem like a pretty rainy period. But with the system that came through 2 weeks ago, that was 5 inches of rain in the North Bay valleys. So big difference. Not to downplay this one too much, but to make the distinction clear. It does get windy as well, especially Monday night. Watch the mountains light up first, and then the valleys start to feel it. That's late Monday into Tuesday. Gusts up to 40 miles an hour at their peak at times Monday night into Tuesday morning. That will be enough to break branches off trees and maybe even take the occasional tree down. There's still a lot of drought-stressed trees out there. We get a little bit of snow in the Sierra. That's always nice to see. And in the 7-day forecast, we've got that rain centered on Monday and Tuesday. But remember, it really doesn't arrive until late afternoon on Monday, and it'll be done by the time we get to about noon on Tuesday. And then we've got no more rain from there. In fact, a little bit of a warm-up that'll get us through the remainder of the 7-day forecast. You'll see that in the microclimates there as we warm back up into the mid-70s for the North Bay valleys by the time we get to Friday and Saturday of next weekend. So there's that. Next weekend looks sunny in mid-70s, Devin, but of course we don't have time to look at that just yet because Monday and Tuesday will be busy.
So we get rain the first couple of days of this week, then it clears out. Is there rain in the long-term forecast again, maybe the following week?
There is, but not enough to hang our hat on just yet. So, yeah, that's what you're going to have to keep doing. I think the fact that we've done as well as we have so far is a great sign, and we'll take it 1 week at a time from here.
Okay.